Sunbonder is an ultrasonic soldering device that produces high-quality soldering. The unit consists of a high-performance sheath heater, an oscillator transducer, and supplies heat and ultrasonic vibration to the soldering tip. Using Cerasolder, a solder especially designed for Sunbonder use, you can solder easily and directly to glass, ceramic, aluminum, stainless steel, and many other materials which are difficult to solder. The ultrasonic soldering device comprises an oscillator unit, soldering iron, and foot switch. Connect the soldering iron and foot switch to the unit. Turn on the main power and adjust the heater temperature and ultrasonic power knobs to the desired position. The temperature will be reached in approximately 5 minutes. To oscillate the ultrasonic vibration, use the foot switch. The iron will oscillate ultrasonic vibration while you are pressing down on the foot switch. In order to solder to glass, use Cerasolder, a solder designed for difficult soldering purposes. Using Cerasolder, you can solder easily to glass, ceramic, aluminum, stainless steel, and other difficult to solder materials. Apply an appropriate amount of Cerasolder to the iron tip. Solder the workpiece by stepping on the foot switch. While stepping on the foot switch, you will hear the subtle sound of ultrasonic vibration. To make the operation easier, try heating the glass workpiece using the hot plate. Try to leave a slight gap between the glass surface and the iron tip while soldering so that the ultrasonic vibration can work properly. Be sure to release the foot switch before removing the iron tip. After you have soldered, check the back side of the glass. If the soldered part looks like a mirror, it is properly soldered. Let's solder the lead wires to the glass. There are two soldering methods for lead bonding. 1. Applying Cerasolder to the surface of a workpiece and normal solder on top of Cerasolder. 2. Applying Cerasolder only. We will demonstrate the two-layer step method. Step 1. Apply Cerasolder on the glass. Step 2. Apply normal solder on top of the Cerasolder. Step 3. Attach the lead wires to the soldered part. Step 1. Apply an appropriate amount of Cerasolder to the iron tip. Solder it to the glass using the foot switch. When you have finished soldering, check the back side of the glass. Step 2. Using the general soldering iron, apply normal solder on top of the Cerasolder. Make sure that the normal solder will not reach the glass surface through Cerasolder by attaching the iron too long. This will cause the reduction of cavitation effect. Step 3. Attach pre-soldered wires to the normal solder layer. Be sure not to leave the iron too long at this step. After you have soldered, check if the wires are soldered properly. In case you need to remove the Cerasolder from the workpiece, apply a small amount of normal solder. The flux in the normal solder will reduce the cavitation effect.